Just got this in. So this is the Eachine E61 mini drone. We're going to be taking a look at it, taking it for a flight test. I've got it here already unboxed. This is the little controller. This is the little drone. Here's the battery. It is a 1-cell battery and it just slides in, so it's a proprietary battery. Holding down the buttons on top starts the drone up. We're going to use the box to launch. This is the controller. To bind the controller to the little mini drone, we can use up and down, and then it's actually it's just down and you're already bound. So that's it. We're ready to take off by just raising our throttle ever so slightly, and there it is. It's got the little lights on the front, which are actually pretty bright. It makes the orientation a lot easier to deal with. So it's got a few different speeds, and you change the speeds using this left button here. It's got 3 different speeds actually, and as indicated by the beeps. Every time you press the button, the beep indicates what it's in. More beeps means faster. It's basically changing the angle of the drone, allowing it to speed up. Also, it increases the yaw rate. So that's the yaw and the highest rate. I'm going to go ahead and do a flip. You could do a flip with this button. And then you give it the direction that you want to flip in. Oh. Let's give it a launch here. Okay, let's do a flip again. So you give this flip. There you go. You just tap it and you give it the direction that you want it to flip. Really, really simple. Simple and easy to use. It's quiet. It's really quiet. It's just a great little flyer. I have no complaints about this little guy. Let's go back to one of the slower rates. That's number 1. That's the slowest one. See, you're not going to get that much angle. And your yaw is a lot slower too. So if you're new and you want to practice without having to give yourself finer throttle control, that's what that's for. It looks like when I crashed, I knocked off one of those little prop guards there. It does come with the prop guards. There it is. It was almost impossible to see that little prop guard. You don't have to fly with the prop guards on. I generally fly with them off, but for the purpose of this review, we're going to keep using them. You'll get more flight time if you don't fly with those prop guards on, and it looks like with the way they're held on, not screwed in or anything, you're probably going to lose them at some point. But like I said, you do get spare prop guards, you get spare stuff in the box, spare propellers. Whoa! I flew a little too close to my head there. But you don't really have to worry about this thing hurting you too much. I mean, see, I'm just touching it with my fingers here. It doesn't hurt. Ow, it's a little pinch, but you know, you don't want to fly into your face. You don't want to fly into anyone's face, obviously. That could hurt your eye, but as far as the props touching your skin or whatnot, it's not like it hurts too bad. The lights are really, really bright on it. I can see, okay, if I fly all the way out to there and turn around, I can see those lights. I'm not sure if that's visible on camera, but I can see those lights all the way out to around where that tractor is. It's pretty crazy. Coming in. Great flyer. We've got no wind out here, so it is handling like a champ. And that's how I would recommend you to fly this one. They do make it with a camera on it if you want. That's the E61 HW. I've got links to this one in the description below, along with the HW one with camera if you want. I gotta give a thanks to True Drone Reviews for sending this one out to me. He sent it out to me earlier this summer, and I've just now had a chance to give it a check out. I wasn't sure what to expect when it came to the batteries, because I wasn't sure how much he'd flown it or not. Everything was still pretty much new in box when he sent it to me. And so this is actually a pre-owned product that he graciously sent out for me to play with and do a review for you guys. And it's got great flight time. I think it's got really great flight time. Two batteries. Let's do some more flips, because you guys love to see flips, right? Try to get those on camera. Oh, oh, oh. I let the throttle down all the way. You've got to keep your throttle up, because this one just is one of those that stops. It doesn't have altitude hold or anything like that. So you have to manage the throttle. Making this a really great drone to learn how to fly on. It's a good drone for kids. It's a good drone for adults who are kids. Ow! Ow! I just hit the side of my arm with it. It's fast in its highest rate. I've cranked it up. I want to burn this battery out. We're getting too good of battery time. Oh, now I think you can see. Okay, so when the lights start to flash, like that, that means it is time to get it landed. You're gonna run out of battery. See, we got flashing lights. We've got a bit of a crosswind here coming through. And I guess that's how it says it's done. No more. It just kind of floats to the ground, which is nice too, instead of just dropping. Alright, so that's it, guys. That's the Eachine E61. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions or comments down below, you know where that is. Let me know what's going on. And as always, have a great day, guys. I'm gonna go do some flying.